So here we'll show how to set up actions for your users in ProsperVue. And actions are these icons that show up here. And now they're tucked underneath the tab there. These actions, they also show up on the pop-up tab here. So to describe what these do, if you click on this icon, it will show the directions from your location to local home appliance. If you click on event, you can log an event in the calendar, and this is great, for example, for SDRs who are calling to set appointments. For Google, it will search in one click for local home appliance in Island Lake, Illinois. And there we go. You may already have a lot of information here in the left panel. For example, we're missing website here, so that's a good way to be able to get to their website or see any other news or quickly any other information about the record. LinkedIn would operate the exact same way. In one click, you can find the company on LinkedIn, and as you know, those of us who work with a lot of data know that very small companies might not always have a LinkedIn profile, but larger companies do. And this icon will search LinkedIn and pull up the company record for contacts and leads. It will search for the person's name in combination with their title and the company name and location, and locate the person's profile, a personal profile on LinkedIn. You can also log call. There's related records, and what related records is, let's say if local home appliance were one location of a larger company, maybe one franchisee, one retail location, you can link all of those locations together with a common key in the data, and clicking on related records would make all pins disappear except those that are related to local home appliance. And the possibilities go way beyond even linking together retail locations. It can link together all the companies in a corporate structure. So for example, the parent companies and all the other companies they own, you can link all of that together with related records and be able to see them on the map nationwide or even globally if you have the data worldwide. You can also log a task. So we have this configured already, as I showed you there, for leads, and we do not have it configured for contacts yet. Let's click on a contact. So this is what things would look like if we do not have any actions set up for an object. So let's go over to the settings area. It's very easy to set up. So you would get here by going to the admin tab, click on configure, and then go to the object. We're going to work on contacts and click the settings gear. And let's go down to the actions area. You could select the actions that you want to have available here. So change owner was something that I did not have on the lead, on the account screen that I just showed you. Change owner would allow your users to change the Salesforce user, say if you have sales reps who are assigned or account execs who are assigned to certain accounts or leads, this would allow the user to change them. So this might not be something that you want to give every user access to. A related function that we have available for you is to set up multiple profile groups, which you can do up here. And so you can set up separate profile groups for users versus managers and supervisors or territory managers. Those are the folks that you may want to assign this change owner task to rather than everybody in the company using Salesforce. So let's add direction, event, Google. There's also history. This would show, let's see, I have it under accounts. History will show, if it's populated, all the previous communications. It will show phone calls, emails, meetings, notes, any previous communication that you have done with this record that is logged into Salesforce can be pulled up and shown here, so your reps can get a quick, very easy one-step view of all previous communications with that record. I know it's not populated for in here for our accounts, so let's choose a few, and it's as easy as that. That's all you do. You just click and add them, and then hit save at the bottom. Let's go back here and refresh. I have a lot of data, so it might take a moment. What you're going to see, the pins first pop up, they are clustered. So this means there's 20 account pins under that pin because there's a lot of data here. In order to click on an individual record, we need to uncluster them. Because you can't click on an individual record when there's 99 plus right there. That's the concept behind that. So we just unclustered them. That's fine. Contacts are green. Okay. I think we just found the same one. So let's click on that contact, and there you go. We have the actions that show up in the bar here. And they're also showing up in the pop-up box. So that shows how easy it is to go into these settings here, and for an object, configure these actions in the bottom panel.